Hey everyone, welcome to Data Millennials. I am Atul, and in this video we are going to discuss about the random function in Python from the random module. And we are going to write a program for generating random float numbers. So as we have discussed in our previous video that there are so many functions in random module which we can use for our analysis, right? Now there is a function in random module which is random.random, and this function will always give you a floating number that ranges from zero point 0.0 to 1.0. There are no parameter required for this function, and this method returns the random floating values within this given range, which is zero point 0.0 to 1.0. So let's test this random.random function and see what sort of values we are getting. Okay, so let's say that I'm just putting a variable test value. In this test value, I'm just going to take this random.random function, or let me do one thing first. Let me import this random function. So we can say import random as r, and then what we can do is that we can simply write r dot random. Now if I print this test value, you can see that we're getting 0.0379, right? What if I run it again? I'm getting another value. Let's do one thing. Let's copy this and put it over here. Let's keep test value 1, and let's print this test value as well as this test value 1. So let's run it again. So we are getting two different value, or two different random values. Now if we talk about what is the real life use of this random function, so this random function, you can find it typically in many programming language which generates the random number. While the core purpose of generating random number might seem purely theoretical, but it has several real-life applications in various fields such as simulations and modeling, gaming, cryptography, sampling, testing and quality assurance, randomized algorithm, and lotteries and gambling also. So this is a simple example that how you can use a random function and store it in a particular variable. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.